This 2019 Jayco Seismic 4212 Seismic Tri-Axle Toy Hauler is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Jayco is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, Sleep 7, Slideout, auxiliary battery, water heater, external shower, microwave, spare tire kit, DVD player, refrigerator, oven, leveling jacks, and 136 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bedroom, loft, outdoor kitchen, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Jayco Seismic 4212 Seismic Tri-Axle Toy Hauler is 15,925 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.